Everyone, welcome back to our daily LeetCode challenge series. So today is day 42 and today we are going to solve LeetCode problem 844, backspace string compare. Okay, so let's see the problem statement. So we have given to a string s and t, return true if they are equal when both are typed into empty text editors. Has means a backspace character. Note that after backspacing an empty text, the text will continue empty. Okay, so basically hashtag ideally means the backspace. So in the example one we have given s equals to ab hashtag c, so hashtag ideally to the backspace, so it will become ac. In similar way in second string ad hashtag c, so even in this case d will be removed, so our string will ac. So in this case both is the common one, that's why we're returning true. Similar way in example 2 we have ab and double hash, that means double backspace, so ideally s becomes empty, and tc hashtag and t hashtag, so mostly it also becomes empty, right? And when comparing s and t it becomes equal, so we are doing true. In case of example 3 we have a has c, so a will be removed, c is our s string and t becomes b, there is no hash. So if we compare both then it is not equals, that's why returning false. Fine. If we see about constraints, so like a string s length and a t length can be occur between 1 to 200, so this is your, like there will be no empty string for sure if because constraints is starting from 1 itself, and s and t only contains lowercase letter and has character. Fine. So for the follow-up, can you solve this problem in one space and time on space? Okay, we'll see. So what we can do here is basically we will need a track of this string. So after removing the characters using backspace, what will be the final string, and then we can compare both. So in order to do that, like what we can do is we'll first create a char array, okay, for both of the strings, and then whenever a hash will come we'll just override with the next character in the same string. We'll manipulate the same string like char array, and then after we'll compare. Okay, let's dive into the coding part. So we'll create first char array for, let's say, s array equals to s dot to char array. Similarly we'll create char array of the second character equals to t dot to char array. Now we will manipulate our this array only whenever we'll find any hash in the coming character. So for doing that, what we will do, we'll create one helper method to check the same logic, right? So let's say public void update, like update string. We'll create this correct update string method, and there will pass our char array. Now what we will do, we'll have to write logic. So let's say we'll take a counter 0 starting from 0, okay, from 0th index, and we'll do the loop while array dot length length, or if not length, as we all have the length with us, so we'll simply run for loop starting from 0th index, I should be less than array dot length whatever we will pass and I plus plus. So now we will check if the array of I is not equals to hashtag. So in this case what we'll do, we'll keep our counter as same and we'll do increment, and here we'll assign our character whatever we have currently. So there will be character equals to array of I itself we will assign, right? Now in case if it is has, so what we can do, we'll just decrease our counter k minus, okay, and counter we can do minus if our current k is greater than 0. So we have to do a check. If our k value is greater than 0, then only we can do k minus, otherwise we have to don't do operations. So now what will happen, we will have the exact character length that we need to check. Now we'll simply return k value from here, and it should be return value will be int, right? Now we'll just call this method for both of them. So k size, let's say k size equals to our update string method. Here we will pass our as array, right? Similar way for t size, we will see how many character left after updating the size, okay, updating the string t array. And after getting the size, what we'll do, we'll directly check if k size is not equals to t size. That means there are more hash or backspaces given, right? So directly from here we'll return false. But what if size is same? So if size is same, then we have to check the each characters, right? So for that what we'll do, we'll just run our loop for say int I start from 0, I should be less than take any size, k size, right? Because anyway it will become the same if both are same. And I plus plus, now we will see if our as array of I is not equal to t array of I, right? So we are now comparing after updating our string, removing the backspaces string. Now we'll compare if both sizes got matched. If it is not getting matched, we'll simply return false if any of the characters mismatch happens at any of the index. Else loop will end and will simply return true, right? Hope this is clear. Okay, so if both size is not same after updating the string, you removing the hash and the characters, then we'll simply return false. Else we have to compare, and it should be less than equal to till size it will go. Now let's see. Okay, so both two test cases got passed, one is failing, and why it is failing? So ab and minus so at least become empty, but it should be true, right? So let's suppose we have got character ab as here, right? So we are going till array dot length. So fine, it will pick and it will do -2 twice, so it will become empty. right? That it should be 0. Now as we are comparing, okay, so we are starting from 0, right? We should remove this one, then we will compare. It should just go till k size, right? That's the wrong here, but now looks fine. Let's submit and see other test cases as well. So yeah, it accepted 100% bits and 115 test cases got passed. Fine. So we talk about complexity here. So as we are using extra spaces, so maximum size, let's say n. So it will be big of n as we are using extra spaces, and big of n as time of it as well, because we are iterating over each characters once. That's why it will be big of n. So yeah, here we are for following a question, interviewer can ask like whether we can do without using extra space or not. So if you have any idea like how we can do using in constant space, so please comment it down and we will go through that. That's all for today. Let's meet on it.